All right, the next application that we're going to take a look at from Sumo Me is one called Discover. It's a newer application, and I have it installed here on dennisjsmith.com because this is my main website where I do most of my blogging. Although I do blog on a couple of other websites that I run, and you've seen a few of those throughout the duration of the course. But this one has the most content because I've been running this website for quite a while now. Let's go in and take a look at Discover. Basically, what it does here, there's 1, 2, and 3. It adds a grid or a scroll box to your website so that you can earn credit for displaying links to other websites, so other content. And you can set it up to gear it to be content that is most like your website. I actually removed it because I just felt that it was overkill. What it does is that you get traffic back for sharing content. So you earn credits, and here's the credits that I have. So my website content would be showing on other websites that have this application from Sumo Me installed, and maybe more people are using it now, and so maybe I would get more traffic from it. It does look fairly nice. It's a grid at the bottom of each blog post, but I've got a plugin installed from WordPress that does that. I want to remind you that the applications that we've looked at, that if you're running WordPress, that there are many plugins out there that do some of the same stuff that we've been talking about. But I found Sumo Me to be the best collection of tools available out there, and they work really well. And so that's why I'm teaching this course on Sumo Me, and that's why I pretty much use all of their applications throughout my different websites. And so when you're ready to use it, you can toggle it to on. So right now I've got it on pause, but you've got incoming traffic and you've got outgoing traffic. Right now there are no stats in there because I have it shut off. And then the design here, it looks nice. Like I was saying here, that that's the scroll box mode, and in grid mode right here, it goes across in a nice neat grid and displays it at the bottom of each blog post. So this is something that you might consider for your site if you do a lot of blogging and you want some traffic to come to your website. Maybe you're just starting off, and so you want to be able to generate some traffic. So you might take a look at this plugin. It comes in different languages, and the category that I have it set in is internet and telecom, but I might do like books or something like that, or excuse me, not books, but business and industry, and then find something a little closer to what I do. I usually talk about marketing. You can choose the rating, the audience there for that, and like I have, you may also like, and you can put in something like check out these. So you can set it up, and the font there is a font that's very bold, and you can change it to something totally different. And the headline colors, so maybe instead of black, I go with a red, so it stands out a little bit more. And then you've got your headline font there too, and then the background color if you want to change that to make it stand out even more. And then just make sure that you save your changes, and then share content right here. So let's see, share your content links, get traffic back by adding and managing your content here. So you don't have any content leaks, you can add those right there. And then you've got the private network right there. You can enter in on the pro if you have a specific network. There might be something more specific to what you're doing that you can join that or create a private network right there, so that you can do that with a pro. You can block sites if you want. So if there is a competitor or something like that and you don't want their traffic or their content displaying on your website, you can certainly do that. And then you've got the display rules. So this one has a lot of choices, a lot of features in it, so that you can set it up and customize it the way that you would like it. But this is the Discover application. This is a newer application from Sumo Me, so you can give that a try to see how it works on your website. Let's go ahead and move on to the next application.